Let's learn how to apply for a WhatsApp green tick through a simple step-by-step procedure. First of all, you need to have a Facebook business account with two-step verification turned on before you proceed. Once you log into your Facebook business account, navigate to the business settings page. This URL is also given in the description. Click on the WhatsApp accounts on the left side, which is shown here. This will bring up the list of WhatsApp accounts linked to your Meta Business Manager. Select the WhatsApp business account you want green tick for and go to Settings. Scroll down to the WhatsApp Manager button and select it. WhatsApp Manager will now show the phone number associated with your business account. Hover over the Account tool setting on the left and click on the Phone Number tab. From here, go to Settings. You will land on this profile section where you can see the Submit Request feature under the Official Business Account section. Click on Submit Request. On the next page, you must fill in a few basic details such as business website, reason for request, and links. Remember, links are news articles or social media mentions that submit your brand authority. You can input 3 to 4 links to show WhatsApp that your brand has credibility. Hit the Submit button and you are done. WhatsApp will get back to you in 1 to 2 working days. Once your business verification is done, you can find a green tick next to your WhatsApp business name. There is also another way of getting a WhatsApp green tick, which is to go through a WhatsApp business solution provider. Here at Communicate, we have partnered with Twilio and 360 Dialogue to provide you with this service. All you have to do is sign up for a Communicate trial for free using the link given in the description, and our support team will be more than happy to guide you through the steps. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated.